So Laura, what's your experience been with the oral device?
Well, I've been suffering with sleep apnea for quite a few years now. I was referred to a sleep doctor. He put me on a sleep apnea machine and I found it quite uncomfortable to sleep with. I was looking for another option that I could do in place of sleeping on a sleep apnea machine, and I was referred here to Dr. Gershberg. From the very beginning, everybody was kind and explained everything to me in great detail. I found that it was easy for me to use the device. I began to use it. I was suffering 38 apnea episodes an hour, and we had it reduced to 6 episodes an hour. So it definitely worked for me. I am feeling more energetic and happier because I don't have to use the machine anymore. The adjustments are very easy to make, just a few minutes. And overall, I'm completely satisfied. I'm very happy that I came here.
Alright, that's great. Alright, Laura, thanks.
Thanks.